amazing. So, and this is the ClassVR class. In the times I feel, let them, we cannot bind, we should not be bind tool, but free. Not bind this ClassVR tool, but free. So in that times I learned. I wanna share the ClassVR Class Cases tool, and I wanna share this reality into virtual reality. So they are in the virtual reality. They shared and they have a virtual reality. So this is my class, and my second class. The first part, I must research every single content people input the class. So I have tested all ClassVR. Only I heard 900 contents in ClassVR, but only I tested the Korean version because English is too. English need to more time. So I so interested to know what it is. ClassVR we can feel, even though gone. I think virtual reality gives an empathy. We can feel it. Doesn't matter slide, doesn't matter time, era. Even we go into the moon, into the somewhere in the future. So I love to. I love Hong Kong. So I was in last week. I was in Hong Kong, and next this Saturday I will be. Even though I will be Hong Kong, even though I'm a Korean, I'm from Korea. 12 hours airplane, and they feel where I went in vacation. So teacher make our own content. Whatever he need. This is the Victoria Peak. So I want to share. Let's see. This is the Jeju Island, and let's see what I will learn, what I will experience. So ClassVR makes us not only a binding of contents which they give, but teacher makes our own contents. But that was amazing. So powerful. Like I say, for years I look over the all the content and tool. I think ClassVR is number one. That's why you see the arena. Very next part, ClassVR. Where's Post Paces video? Where's merging? Where's another one? No one. See, and this is ClassVR. We can feel the future in virtual reality. But right now, the RAN is not good. My data is not good. But when you see, here it goes. So they can feel the future generation. I may ask, maybe there are so many amusement like a roller coaster. That kind of tool is in the ClassVR. They love it, but because ClassVR so many focus on the education, so no like that. So maybe I into the roller coaster and share them my opinion. So he loved the auto bicycle in the future. So I love that because let him, and he even treated. Yeah, I wanna because all I have just 12 bucks, please. Just kidding. Yeah. So even though they are not learn, just play. As you know, we play with learning, not learn. Just a student and like us, just play, live, and with learning. So they enjoy. And I shall go to the next part. When I am an elementary school teacher, the grade P5 in Korea, P5 we learned about the electric light this shape. So after I teach my this shape in math class, I let them make their own dish. Thank you for ClassVR. ClassVR already shared this what do you call that? Resource. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Resource. So I let them make their own. Even I make an amazing big one, big. So maybe I will make a much big. Yeah, huge. So they can imagine huge picture. So they can know what it is AR and mixed reality with huge and I did like this class. Maybe I check my time. Okay, 10 minutes. Okay, they learn like this, and these times, you know, UK, we have an experience about war. So as I said to you, in Korea, primary school teacher teaches all. I teach the social studies. In social studies, history, Korean history. So what is the most important part of your social studies? They said, yeah, we were Korean War. So I want to experience the Korean War. So I let them see that Korean War movie. Pretty. So the movie shows a handsome guy. But for me, that is so. This is I am the teaching. And then after that, this is a ClassVR tool. So after that, we share the in ClassVR there is no Korean War content, so I share the World War content, so they can know, wow, what is bad. We should not. How many times teacher may teach the history war? I think that is not working. Just let them experience. Only one experience, that's all. So, do you remember the first lover? We cannot avoid, we try to avoid, but we cannot because we are experienced. That is the power of virtual reality. So, I put in this tool and they can learn about and experience about cultural class VR. And this one is Korea has a 4 season, so I wanna make them the abroad field trip. So in lunchtime we went to some park and enjoy. After that, let's go another country's port. So we enjoyed another country's port in virtual reality. Of course, like you know, the STEAM. So I let them write and let them draw. And this is the situation I let them go abroad for. This is I'm not quite well, America, UK for. So they can notice the difference between ClassVR and real for in Korea. Because they love war content, so I let them try again. As you know, the World War situation. So this is a tank because they love video and they love the fighting. So before the lecture, I shared the movie clip, and this is we was the colony of Japan. So when we are together, do you know what it is? This is in German, right? German? Yeah. The sad story. So we put it, and I point. See. Who are? See, what is this? You got it?